Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily use your writing assist on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. So first, what we want to do is we want to create a short text. So open up the Notes app. Now here, as you guys can see, I've got the text ready. So for me it is, hello, I've been looking at the calendar and I have to cancel the meeting. Now, after you create your text, simply select it all, click on those three stars right here in the keyboard, and here we can change the writing style, for an example, to professional. Regarding the calendar, I must inform you that I will need to cancel the meeting. Casual, social, polite, and emojify. Now, what else can we do is we can go here, we can see the spelling and grammar, and as you guys can see, there are a couple of issues, so we can replace it or copy it. What else can we do is we can go to Composer, and here we can create the main idea. So let's say meeting cancelled, and let's say 200 words. Now let's click generate and see. We got it. Now we can copy it, and now let's leave it, delete this one, and now press paste. Here we've got a couple of words regarding the meeting. So that's basically how the writing assist works. I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.